Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Okay. Our subject is computer. Today we are going to learn about the internet. Okay. In olden days, what they used to do to communicate with each other, they will write letters or they will send information with others. After some time, some days, we got telephones. They can call, make a call and they can talk with each other. Isn't it? But nowadays, the buzzing word is internet. So we are so developed and invented internet to communicate with each other or to search information or to know different things. So if you have internet, so you can read books online and you can know some recipes, you can send emails, you can chat with your friends, you can make video calls or voice calls to your friends. Isn't it? Nowadays we are doing all these and we are telecasting these online classes and you are watching there. Through internet only it is possible. So what is the full form of internet? Internet. So our lesson name is Introduction to Internet. So full form of internet is International Network of Computers. Computers. What is a network? It's a collection of computers. Okay. And those are connected through cable or satellite. So network of computers which are connected through cable or satellite. So network is collection of computers here. So these are connected through cables or satellite. Okay. So next in internet what we'll do, we will search information. To search any information we have to give the address as www dot. Okay. What is this www? www is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. So it is a collection of websites. In this, lot of information is kept in the form of websites, and in those websites it has web pages. So what are the information you want, that you have to search from World Wide Web. Okay. So internet, what internet gives? Internet can provide you the service to send emails or to chat with others or to access online banking or online chatting and online shopping. You can know the recipes. So it gives, and www, World Wide Web, is also one service in the internet. First you should have internet, then only you can access this World Wide Web. That means the set of websites you can access. Okay. So now we will know how World Wide Web will work. So www, what it is? World Wide Web. Suppose you should have this internet to access any information. First, if you have this internet, then we have to access this web browser. So web browser. What are the web browsers we have? Google Chrome, so Yahoo, not Yahoo, Firefox. So these are the web browsers. Internet Explorer also we have this one. So this comes with Windows. So whenever you install this Windows operating system, the default web browser is Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer comes with Windows. So generally we use this Google Chrome web browser, and after this Firefox we will use. Okay. So this web browser directs you to the search engine. Search engine. Okay. So these search engines are Google, Yahoo. Here comes Yahoo. Okay. Search engine. Then it requests the server. Here this server, it requests that information in the www. From this you will get that information back and you can see the information. Okay. To transfer this information, www World Wide Web uses HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, to transfer that information, and to access that information, the net protocol, it uses a net protocol called HTTP Hypertext Transport Protocol. Okay, to access this information it uses HTTP, and to access those documents which are in the World Wide Web it uses Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, so all those websites links will be given, and in that you can select any link and you can see the information. You can read that information or you can download it, you can share it. Okay. So those web pages are written in HTML. So we call websites, web page, all those that web pages. Those web pages are written using HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. So Wide Web. Advantages are so first one, the information availability. So the information is available 24/7. At any time you can search any information, you will get the information within seconds. Okay. Next, quick search. So that search engine, either it is Google or Yahoo, that will provide you the quick search. Whatever the information you ask, it will display that information. So next one, hypertext or hyperlinks. So these are the pointers to the information, that means HTML pages. HTML hyperlinks. Links means, suppose if you open any website, what it will give, some read also, okay, read also, or suggest, or directly it will provide some link, some www.somename.com. okay, see this, like this. So these are highlighted in blue letters with underline. When you click on this, it will be directed to another web page. It's in the same website or in another website. These are called as hyperlinks or hypertext. Okay. So next, you can share your information through online sharing. Suppose some company, if you have one company in India or in another country, you have another branch. So what they will do, if they are working together, means they have to send their files here and they have to share their information. Then this www, it will provide the sharing of information. Okay, they can share the information or they can share their ideas through mails. Those it will provide. These are the advantages of www, World Wide Web. Next, coming to the web terminology. We are telling now web. What are those web terminologies? So these web terminologies are, first one, HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. So using this, it provides you the links to another web pages in the same website or in another website. So it's a language. We write programs using this hypertext markup language. So how to write all this we'll learn in third lesson. Okay. Next one, web page. Web page. So using this HTML we write web pages. In this web page it can contain text, it can contain, or it can contain some video files or images or audio. Thus it can contain. Okay. Third one, website. So in this website you can contain all these, and it can contain hyperlinks and hyperlinks also. So it links to another web pages in the same website, or it can link to another website. So next one is web portal. So it also contains the links. Fifth one, home page. So whatever the site, if you open, the first page is called as home page of that site, and in that home page it contains the information about that site, and it can contain the other links to other web pages. That means here in some websites you will see home, about, and contacts, isn't it? So all these are different links provided in the home page. If you click back button, it comes to home, or if you click on this home, it comes to the home page. So next one, addressing. So web addressing. So in this web addressing, we have two types. So using characters it will give, and using numbers it is given. Okay. First one, domain name service. Using characters. So next one is IP address. So internet protocol address, it is a 32-bit address, and it is divided into 4 parts. Okay. That starts from 0 to 255. That is in the range of 0 to 255, and divided with periods. Suppose example, so this is given to each and every system to avoid the errors in transmission. Okay. Suppose example 20.15.32.255, like this. These addresses are given to the system. It is given to the system to avoid errors in transmission. This IP address. Okay, we will learn about domain name service now. So before that, each and every website is identified with URL. URL means the path, and URL, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Suppose you want google.com. How we will give? http://www.google.com, isn't it? So this is the URL, the path. If you want to share this link also, just you can share it. It will be highlighted in blue color. When they click on this link will be opened. Okay, URL means Uniform Resource Locator. So to identify each website this URL is provided. Okay, and URI is also same like URL. So uniform resource identifier it is. Identifier. So identify each and every website. These two are given. This is the example. Okay, example will be written like this. Okay, now we will learn Now we will learn about domain naming system. Okay, DNS, domain naming system. Why this domain naming is given? To identify each website. Okay, domain naming service, it is a character. It is a character name. So like using characters, this name will be given and it is used to identify each website. How? That we will see now. Okay, how this domain naming system is used, how the domain name is given. So in this domain naming system, two parts are there. Two parts. First one is name of the domain. Name of the domain. That means either it is Yahoo, Google or YouTube, whatever the name you want to give, that name. Okay. Next is the extension. Extension. These two are divided with dot. That means with a period it is divided. Okay. Divided or separated by dot. Okay. So now we will see some examples for which websites, what is the extension is given, how those are provided. For education, the extension is given as edu. Suppose pragati.edu. Okay. Example is, here the domain name we can give any name and the extension is .edu for educational institutions. Next one is organization. So for organizations, .org. So if it is any organization or any company or any organization which are kept by individuals, that time this .org extension is used. Next, business. So for business sites, they will give BIZ. This extension will be given. So commercial next. Commercial, for commercial websites, .com is given. So www.peoplesprogresstrust.com. So it is commercial. So next one, network. If it is any network, they will give .net. These are the extensions given in the domain naming service. Here domain name you can give anything. Here any name you can give, and this is the extension provided based on these systems. Okay. If it is educational.edu, organization.org, business.biz, commercial.com, network.net, like this. And it uses the country names also to provide domain naming system. So what are those? We will learn now. So suppose it is India. So for India, it gives .in. Example, www.yahoo.co.in. Okay, example. So it is used in India. Next one, Japan. If it is Japan's, gives you .jp. Okay, the name and .jp will be given. So third, Pakistan. So the extension is given as PK. Fourth one, United States, America. it is given as .us. This extension, these all are extensions. Name you can give anything. To mention that country, we use these extensions. Okay. Next, United Kingdom. Kingdom. So it is given as .uk. Okay. These are the extensions given by using country names. Next, what are the rules? How to decide a domain name? How we have to decide a domain name? How to give a domain name? First, in the domain name, it can contain alphabets and numbers. It can contain alphabets and numbers. Second, only hyphen. Hyphen is the only character which is allowed in the domain name. Third one, should not exceed more than 64 characters. Okay, it should not exceed more than 64 characters. Next is, it should have a valid extension. Extension before we discussed now, that one using country name or using different organizations names. So it should have valid extension. So like this we will decide the domain name. Okay. Till now, okay, I will show you all this, how to search information, how to access web browser, how to get the information from www in a video so that you can understand better. Okay, children? Okay, click on this Google page. Here we can search the information using www. We'll search for People's Progress Trust. Okay, PO. People's Progress Trust. That page will be open. We'll click on PVN and this website is open. Here we will search for online classes and we'll select the class. The class will be displayed and you can watch these videos here. Okay, so we'll go back. We search some information in this. So about computers we will search. Computer. Okay, search. See here, many links are open, different websites are open and videos are open here, and we can click on that, we can watch those. I'm clicking on one website. See, computerhope.com. So it's a website. In this, the information is displayed. See these blue words, blue sentences, words are here now. These are the hyperlinks. Whenever you click on that link, that goes to the information. It displays the information. See all these blue letters, all these are the links. See when you click on that, it goes to that keyboard. See that information. So like this we can search the information and we can read it.